So guys, with the release of the latest iOS 18, there have been quite a few noteworthy features. One among them is the ability to tweak and customize the control center. But this is also one of the most controversial features as well. There are two biggest issues with this change. First and foremost, the AirDrop has been given a higher importance when compared with the mobile data or Bluetooth. As you could see earlier, you could easily interact with both of these options at one go, but now while you could interact with AirDrop at one go, you cannot do so with the mobile data and Bluetooth. You will once have to tap on it and again tap on it in order to interact with either of these two options. Fortunately, we have the option to just tap on the plus icon, select add a control, and then you could easily add the Bluetooth and the mobile data over here. Now the second biggest issue is the fact that there is no standalone separate Wi-Fi icon toggle in the control center. Whatever it's there, it's inside this box only and you cannot change it. So if you go to the add a control option, the surprising part is that the Wi-Fi icon is missing from here as well. Even though you could add the personal hotspot and aeroplane mode, but there is no separate Wi-Fi icon that you could add in the control center. That's why Apple has done this. It does not make any sense whatsoever, but this is how Apple works anyways, so we can't argue on that. With that said, in this video I'll show you how to add a standalone Wi-Fi icon in the control center. So with that in mind, let's get started. First and foremost, you will have to launch the shortcut apps on your phone, then tap on the plus icon at the top right, and then you have to search for the action which is named as set Wi-Fi, and then choose it from here, set Wi-Fi, then tap on turn and select toggle. This will make our job easier. After that, tap on the set Wi-Fi drop down menu, select rename and just rename it to Wi-Fi. You may rename it to anything you want. We are renaming it to Wi-Fi. Then tap on done. Again tap on the drop down menu, this time select choose icon, select search symbol and search for the Wi-Fi icon from here and choose the same. Again tap on done, and with this we have named the toggle as shortcut as Wi-Fi and given it the Wi-Fi icon as well. Once that is done, tap on done, and that's just about it. Now open the control center, tap on add a control. Let's go to a new page first. Tap on add a control and scroll to the shortcuts, select shortcut, then tap on choose next to shortcut, select the Wi-Fi shortcut which you have just made. Then that's just it. The shortcut has been added and you could increase the size or decrease it. As you could see, it's a smaller size, it's the larger size. Let me keep it in a smaller size and let me move it to the front page. Let's place it here at the top. Just give me a second. And with this, the Wi-Fi icon has been added in the control center. You could see as soon as I tap on it, it will first off turn off the Wi-Fi. Then once again, as soon as I tap on it, it will re-enable the Wi-Fi at one go. So guys, this is how you could easily add the Wi-Fi icon in the control center. Or if you don't want to do the manual job, you may also do so automatically by using the shortcut icon which you have just made. Go to this download link, get hold of the shortcut file from here, click on get shortcut and then tap on add shortcut. The shortcut will be added in the shortcut apps over here and you will get the Wi-Fi shortcut over here. Once the shortcut has been added, just try out the steps 7, 8 and 9, which means that simply tap on add a control and then use the shortcut icon to add it there and your task is complete. So you may choose either of the two options. Simply get hold of the shortcut file from here and tap on add shortcut, then use the step 7, 8 and 9 to add the shortcut, or you may also choose the manual method and carry out the entire step from scratch. Both the method will work. So guys, on that note, I round up this video. Let me know what are your thoughts on this. Is this a major change that will surely affect you, or it's just a minor tweak that is not a cause of concern? Do let us know your views in the comment section below, and thanks a lot for watching.